So apparently PlayStation came out with a huge note where it says that they are stopping all the production of physical discs from January of 2028. So as you can see here, they have made a whole tweet. So as you can see here, as consumer preferences and broader entertainment will continue to shift away from physical discs to digital. Uh, just so before you know, 80% of 80% of the player have shifted to like digital, buying games digitally. Okay, but there is still like 20 to 15% people who are still buying physical games, and there is a huge almost like $5 to $6 billion industry where somebody buys a physical game and sells it in a lower price like after they have finished playing it. So there is a huge market for that even. So completely like stopping a physical disc is like a big, huge step that they took, and people are not happy about it because they want to they want to buy the boxes, they want to go to the store and like buy the boxes, and keep it. Some are like collectors and everything, but for after like 2028, January of 2028, you no people, no person would be able to do it. So as you can see here, even in the tweet, some interesting market data as it shows like decision to ditch this was practically inevitable as it says. So yes, but the thing is that of course most of the people now don't buy like physical games, but there's still like 15% to 20% people who are still going to the store and physically buying the game. So completely taking that power side off, and even the resale market is gonna like suffer from this because you can't resell a game. Okay, so if you don't have physical copies and everything, you can so it will be a huge problem for the resale market also. People who used to buy the game, resell it and buy a new game or something like that. So this could create a lot of problem, and they are getting into a lot of issues and everything. So yeah.